Benjamin Lincoln House is a brand new museum, owned and operated by the Hingham Historical Society, with a very old and storied past. Built in stages during the 18th century, the house was home to over 11 generations of the Lincoln family. Incredibly, this same family lived on this property from the 1600s all the way until 2020. Its most prominent resident was American Revolutionary War General Benjamin Lincoln, most famous for accepting the sword of surrender from the British at the Battle of Yorktown. The home was then meticulously conserved and maintained by subsequent generations with little alteration to its 18th century appearance. Built in the Georgian architectural style, much of the building's original fabric remains. Now open for regular public tours, visitors can experience this authentic colonial space and immerse themselves in the fascinating history of this home.